And so what Fiverr does, it will pull out all the videos containing these keywords and present it to that client. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to Speak Easy. This is the place where we can talk about your voiceover career, especially if you're just starting out. And if this is the first time we're meeting, hi, my name is Anna. I'm a freelance voiceover talent, and my goal for this channel is to help as many of you guys out by sharing some tips and tricks that I swear by. And I really think I'm most helpful to you guys when I answer your questions down at the comments section. I do have my computer over here so I can read the actual questions. Your video gave me the courage to start my own Fiverr gig. Oh, wow. Thank you for letting me know. I feel really, really good when I hear comments like that. But I want to know, what should I write to fill in search tags? Okay, search tags are really important on Fiverr because that is how you will get found on the platform. Now, I think you can only upload 5 keywords, so make sure you use them wisely. These are my keywords on here. I will show you on the screen. So, for example, I'm a female voiceover talent. I'm a neutral English accent female over. I'm a Tagalog female voiceover, and I'm a corporate female voiceover talent as well. And also, I'm a commercial ad female voiceover talent. Now, why are keywords so important? Because let's say, again, I'm the client, right? And I type in on the Fiverr's platform on their search tabs, like female voiceover, or neutral accent voiceover, or corporate voiceover. That is what I will type on the search tab of Fiverr if I was the client. And so what Fiverr does, it will pull out all the videos containing these keywords and present it to that client. So it will give you that chance, opportunity to be presented, to be suggested to your potential clients. So make sure you make use of your 5 keywords. If you are finding value in this video, do give me a thumbs up right now. Also, hit that notification bell. This is just so you know if I have new videos out. And if you have anything else that you want me to clarify, let's get talking on the comment section down below. And also, if there's anything else that you want me to talk about, any specific topic, I would love to hear them. So type it down at the comment section down below and I'll answer down there as well. But maybe it'll make it to the next top 5 questions on the comments section. And also, if you have any tips and tricks to share about Fiverr as well, go ahead and share it with us because this is a community and we are here to help each other out. And also, if you're looking for more voiceover tips and tricks, and if you're looking to maybe just level up your English communication skills, well then watch these videos on your screen. And with that, I wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!